things the Society regularly does is bring together different groups of people so we can have a real conversation about how best to protect mammals in Britain. So recently, for example, we held a workshop about non-native species, non-native invasive species, where we brought together specialists from around the world who work on this topic with people from government, people from policy, people who are practical ecologists working in wildlife trusts, so that we all understand what's going on, we understand which species are the real focus and how best we might target action.
This and many other ways of getting involved can be found at mammal.org.uk. The Mammal Society, advocating science-led mammal conservation.